Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. As you know, my name is Imtiazul Islam and I am a web developer and I do web analytics tasks too. So, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your CallRail account. So this will be a complete setup to your Google Ads account and your landing page. So let's jump into it. Here I divided it into 5 phases. First, you have to have a CallRail account, of course, and then we'll set up the phone numbers, and then we will add those phone number script to the landing page. And in the fourth steps, we will add the tracking number to our Google Ads account and any other accounts. If you have, you can do it, and then we'll set up the conversion tracking in our Google Ads account. So first, our step is creating a CallRail account. This is a very easy step, so I hope you can have access this CallRail account. Then just simply jump to your start free trial. Then you can open up your account. After verified your account, you can have an interface like this. Okay, so next, if you jump to settings, you can have this screen. Then you will create, and then you will press this create number. This is our I think this is our second step. We have a CallRail account and we set up a tracking number. Now we are going to set up our tracking number. Of course, we should have a website, and our website is this leads power generator. So this is our website, and we have this phone number, and we want to swap it with our forwarding number so we can track those number, and we can have the the call recording, etc. and etc. So the keyword. So if we go to this number, if we go to this interface, now we will press this on website. Now we will go again, calls, keywords, and web session, and then of course we want to track all the visitors first of all. Okay, our swapping number should be this number. Okay, so copy it and place it here. Okay, let's jump to the next. Yes, and you will place your area specific number. You can name it here. We leave it the default name, the website pool. Then it will forward to this number forward, and you can activate call recording. Yes, we of course we should have the call recording options. Then activate whisper message, like there is a pre-recording, to every call. It will be saved by default. Yeah, if we prefer this message, you can have
Call from website pool.
yes, this message will be added in every call. So we also add this feature. Then we will activate the tracking number. Yes, we get the congrats, our website full tracking number and calls and text number is activated. Hooray, we have done our website tracking number is done. Now we will add another tracking number for our Google Ads account, so we can track whose calls are coming from our Google Ads account. So okay, website, then we can calls only, we'll track on the calls only. Then search, calls and features. Search, our swapping number should be this. This is our swapping number. Okay, we have full number, local number, and we have what would you like to name this number. Website calls only, and we will say Google Ads. Next, jump to, and we will also activate whisper messages, message routing for to this phone number. Yes, of course. Then activate this tracking number. Hooray, our second step is done too. So tracking phone numbers, set up the tracking phone numbers is done. Now we will add this tracking number to our landing page. Okay, or you can do this in two ways. See our active numbers, we can see uh, yeah, this is for our Google Ads account and this is for our website. So yeah, we have to add this script to our website. Okay, we can done this through manually and with tag manager. Tag manager is pretty easy. We don't need to take another take another hassle. If we have tag manager, set up tag manager in our with our Google Ads account, we can do it easily. Okay, let me show you that I have the tag manager is connected to our tag manager. Yes, our tag manager is connected to this website, so we can do it easily. This is our tag manager account. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go to this tag and just press new. Okay, we want to press tag html custom html. Just add custom html and come to, oh sorry guys, press it here. Alternate JavaScript installation. You will also find the guide how to set up in tag manager. First go to this tag manager, then click tag, then select a tag configuration, then custom HTML, and select this custom section, this section. Okay, we'll select this section, then paste the below code into the HTML box. Which HTML box? This HTML box. Okay, we just paste this HTML box and we have to provide a name here. We will name call rail tag code. Okay, tag code. Enough. You can name, provide any name, and we have to trigger all pages. Okay, then press save. Hooray! Wow, there's something wrong. I think sometimes it provides wrong input number. Let me check. If we leave it empty, see what is that. Okay, leave it here. We refresh our page. Don't worry, it's just a simple error. We can easily fix it. Just refresh your tag manager, then again press new, tag manager, tag configuration, custom HTML, paste the code, then provide a name, call rate tag code. Okay, trigger should be all pages, and press save. Hooray, it's all done. Okay, now we have to submit our code and publish. Done. Our CallRail account is set up in our landing page. Okay, now you can see a magic. This is our number, phone number. If we refresh our phone page, we can see a magic. Yeah, 56503. Sorry, 503. This is our last number. I think it takes. Oh, see, our phone number is already swapped with another number. Okay, what our number is, let me see. Our swapping number was 447861. This was our number, but this number is already changed. Did you see it? Okay, now we can track any calls from this number. Okay, now our tracking number is added to the landing page. Now we will place this tracking number on ads. Okay, now your CallRail dashboard. Now come to this integration. you know This is already activated. We will activate this Google Ads account. Okay, it's already inactivated. Sign in with Google. This is my email. Yes, and our Google Ads account already is added to the CallRail account. Okay, so send calls as conversion, create one calls action for all calls. Yes, if any customers repeatedly calls, we will take this into one conversion. Okay, we don't know, we don't want into separate conversion. If your business needs a separate conversation, you can tick this here, but for our case we will create for we need one conversation action for all calls. Okay, then activate. Okay, now it's done from the CallRail account. Everything is done from our CallRail account. Now we have to go to the our yes, we have to now admin, sorry, into account settings. Yes, call repeat, call reporting here, on, off, and off. And already I have tick the call mail account, then save. Yes, done. Here I have to, you have to manage conversation settings. Press here and you will see a new tab. Sorry, it takes some time. uh, Call conversion action. Yeah, call from ads, save. Okay, summary, press summary. Create conversation action. We will add, only conversion from phone calls, phone call lead. Create conversion, calls from ads. We can set up, let me see, calls from website visits and calls from ads. We only track the calls from ads. Then save and continue. Yes, done. Here you can see phone call lead. Yes, this is our calls from ad. This is our call from calls ad. This is my previous calls settings, and we will set up a custom goal to, I have done this. Delete it. So you guys see how to set up it from the scratch. Okay, you add custom goal, then phone calls, repeat phone calls you wanna track, and calls from ad. This is this is the last call from ad. These are previous calls. In your account, you can only have, you have only one, action. So don't worry. Calls from ads, repeat phone call, and phone call. Okay, then save. Okay, we have to provide a name. Phone call goal. Okay, we can phone call lead goal, and also add another phone call lead goals. Okay, save. Hooray, done. Our setup is done. Now you guys have the complete setup. You can